This tutorial is part of a series that covers each module from the central application. This video will cover the signal-to-noise ratio module. The signal-to-noise ratio app compares the level of extracted spikes to that of the noise to determine the ratio between the two. By default, the app will only display the SNR for channels with sorted units. To learn more about spike sorting, be sure to check out our tutorial on online spike sorting in Central. That said, to display all units, even those without definitions, or to view unclassified spikes, you can select the respective option from the View menu. For now, let's assume that they have already sorted some spikes, and leave it on the default of only displaying actively sorted units. Each line item represents one unit from a given channel. You can see here that I have 2 units from channel 3 and only 1 unit from channel 2. For each of these units, there are a number of statistics. Let's cover what each one represents. The n value is the number of waveforms currently being applied towards the calculation, and the average waveform of these is shown on the rightmost wave column. The signal column displays the amplitude of the spike waveforms in microvolts, while the noise parameter displays the amplitude of the noise in microvolts. The SNR is the ratio of these numbers represents the SNR calculated for the current time frame. By default, the signal-to-noise ratio calculation will collect 60 seconds of data for the measurement. This value can be changed or removed entirely using the options from the View menu. Whenever a new view option is selected, this countdown timer will reset, and the data collected up to this point will be cleared. This reset of the application can be done manually by simply clicking the refresh button in the upper left. The pause button will pause data collection as well as the countdown timer. When it resumes, it will continue collecting at the new point. The zoom functions, as you can expect, can be used to change the scale of the display. Finally, the save function will save a report on the SNR values for each unit in a text file, which can be a useful way to view signal-to-noise ratio changes over time in a chronic implant, or for record keeping for a multi-subject experiment. This concludes our tutorial on the signal-to-noise ratio app. Be sure to check out our other tutorials in this series for a look at our other central modules. For additional information on our products, manuals can be found at www.blackrockmicro.com.